And now, again, a new idea, a new spark of inspiration. Our dedication to the sports car for the 21st century. The concept study, Porsche 918 Spyder. The first plug-in hybrid from Porsche, with electric motors that deliver more than 160 kilowatts, 218 horsepower, and a V8 high RPM engine generating more than 368 kilowatts, 500 horsepower. What's more, the Porsche 918 Spyder takes new paths with electric all-wheel drive and torque vectoring. Then there's the Porsche Doppelkupplungsgetriebe, PDK, and electric boost function. All vehicle components are embedded in a performance-focused automotive architecture with CFK monocoque. The weight, less than 1,490 kilograms. With a very low power-to-weight ratio, that makes it a high-performance hybrid. With less than 3.2 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour and more than 320 kilometers per hour top speed. Result, it will be faster on the Nordschleife than the Carrera GT. Equally record-breaking with a moderate driving-style fuel consumption of about 3 liters per 100 kilometers and CO2 emissions of about 70 grams per kilometer are possible. And the Porsche 918 Spyder can be driven by electric power only with a range of up to 25 kilometers. The sporty response to the hybrid topic. The Porsche 918 Spyder has been developed from the genes of the legendary Porsche 917. The outcome is an extremely flat sports car with the distinctive proportions of a racing car. Porsche DNA, so to say. In the cockpit, the 918 Spyder follows in the footsteps of the Carrera GT, for instance with the ascending center console, plus 3 freestanding instruments. The operating concept points the way to the future. Central control functions are found in the multifunctional sports steering wheel, and a touch panel surface in the center console. It's destined to change the way we drive sports cars. The Porsche 918 Spyder is one of our answers to urgent environmental issues. And yes, we respond with higher power, but also with lower fuel consumption. A contradiction? Not at all. It's the principle we call Porsche Intelligent Performance.